Karamjari ma'am, ngasiji am nuwaitaba numitne. It's a really emotional day, not only for me or for you, but for everyone living in my Malebak Manipur. Ngasigi nuwaitaba numitche ay khatangi natte ma'am khatangi natte. Loi mi punamak Manipur da laibagine. Ngasiji ma'am khangbe ai ko. Akhoigi leikhidre Athouba Chitaranjan ki kunlak suba magi leikidabagi remembrance day ne magi ningjin banumit ne aidi ma thingna hodre aidi ma una hodre de na sum ai jodu matam da poktabani na adubu when I heard a story ina mali tara kanta he's the real hero of Manipur. I just want to say that he's the real hero of Manipur. Makui Imalebak Manipur ki hero ne. A same hero. He sacrificed his life to protect the future of Manipur. Mana koi ki future, koi Imalebak Manipur ki future kanna bagi namakta. Mana mai masaj mai chaga sacrifice tauki siki. Ma di egi big hero ne. Aduga he did all of that. He sacrificed his own life. He wasn't scared of death to protect the integrity of my state, of my Imalebak Manipur, and to get the freedom of Manipur. Koi Imalebak ki freedom phangna bagi damakta. Mana magi thawai je kanki, thawai je katki. He is a real hero of Manipur. Magi manglan, magi goal, magi demand. Which is for Manipur, akhoi Manipur gi Imalebak ki damakta, akhoi gi whole northeast gi, akhoi Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 je, punama lothok na ba si draconian si black law je, akhoi gi lothok na ba, akhoi Manipur mayam, akhoi Manipur prajana, si je tawa madakar tai, tawa madakar fight tawa madakar changi, magi si manglan, magi si demand je phang na ba. If there's no point, there's no meaning in observing his death anniversary. Kaya meaning lerega koi adu magi manglan da phangdradi. Koi punamak northeast ki ora, koi gi Imalebak ki khatang ki ora. Si manglan da mai phangdradi. Koi gi prajar myam na magi kathokpa gi sacrifice to je. Ningsing lo bagi meaning leribo, acha leribo like tadana. Adugi ma'am, ako'y punamak fight to jeko, magi manglan, ako'y gi manglan, achieve thouna ba. I also demand the Indian government, the government of India, we demand the Indian government, the government of India, to repeal this draconian Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 from the land of Manipur for the whole northeast. Thank you. Athouba Chitaranjan ne yai fare, Imalebak Manipur ne yai fare, MSF ne yai fare. Thagachari.